beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're the first time stopping by my channel, my name is Acheivethis. So the things we are going to be using for our tutorial: eco styling gel, got to be glue spray, not glue, is actually a spray, a gel spray. So you can see what I'm doing with a rubber band. I'm just sectioning out my hair now. I'm going to section this hair into two, so I want a little bit of spice. I don't want it to be straight down, so I added a little bit of spice, like cuff at the front. So you can see what I'm doing now. I want to section the back down. I'll section the back just down, straight down. So after that, I'll hold it out of the way so that it won't get to each other. Now you can see I'm spraying my got to be glue spray. I can use only this spray. Air gel spray. I can only use it to achieve this look, but I want it to lay flat than me using only that. So now I'm going to be adding my eco styling gel. I'll add it to my hair, then I'll brush it down. I'll brush. I'll add the spray again. Also, I'll brush. Then I'll use rubber band to hold it. I'll use two rubber bands to hold it together so that it will hold it very. If I use one, it will hold it very well. So I did the same thing to the second one also. Don't worry about the white residues, it will go down after I use my scalp to lay down when it's dry. So don't worry about that. So I'll use my edge control to lay the front down. This edge control I'm going to be using. Sometimes this edge control works fine, sometimes it's going to have white residues. So I was really glad that this didn't have white residues this time, but it always worked for my hair perfectly fine. Hold it so well, so good. So now we are going to be making use of straw, Brazilian wool. I used 2 packs of Brazilian wool to achieve this hairstyle. Expression braiding here. So now I'm going to wrap a little amount around the straw. I'll allow you guys to watch how I did that. It's very easy to do. I achieved 8 strands of this coil straw. I achieved 8 strands. So these are the straw coils I achieved. I dip it into the hot water. So can you see this hair is laid? I was doing slayed. So after dipping that into the hot water, I remove it. I unravel it from the straw, as you can see I'm doing. So now this is the Brazilian one I'm using. I didn't count the amount. I just sectioned that 2 pack. I just sectioned it into 2 equal parts, equal section. So you can see I apply eco styling gel to the tip of my hair so that it will lay perfectly fine, so that it won't pick out from my hair, so that my hair won't pick out when braiding. So you can see what I'm doing. I braid from the back, you understand, so that it will be easy for me to grab. So then I section it into 2. That is why I didn't really follow this part. Then I keep braiding. Very easy to achieve, very easy to achieve. I love working with Brazilian wool with this kind of hairstyle than me using braiding hair. I just don't know why. I can actually achieve the length I want. It's going to be lightweight. Hair won't come over my body. It won't give me stress, you understand. If you like braiding hair, fine, you can actually achieve this hairstyle with braiding hair, but with Brazilian wool it's going to be very, very lightweight. So when I get to the tip, I'm going to brush it out. Then I'll add my braiding hair. I'll add it from the back. You see now, can you see from the back? I didn't add it from the front, from the back, so that it won't show that I added the braiding hair. Do you grab that? Then all the Brazilian will picking through. Don't worry, we are going to use scissors to trim that off. That is not a problem. As I do say, if you want to see more of this hairstyle, please make sure you give this video a huge thumbs up. That will help my channel a lot. Like, share with your loved ones, share with anyone that you think needs to see this video, because I want you guys to be able to slay your hair yourself, to look so good, to look so beautiful. You understand what I mean? On a budget. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be using this coil wind or hair coiler. I'm going to wrap it around, then dip it into the hot water, then unravel it again. That is all. So you can remember that hair we use a straw to achieve the coils. Now we are going to crochet this to the body of these braids. If you want to leave the braid like that, you can, but I just really want to add a spice to spice it up. I want to add spice just to spice it up. The only thing that got me angry was I should have just sectioned the coils into 2 instead of me sectioning all the coils into 4. You're going to see the coils came out like kinky, you understand, but it still looks so beautiful. I still love it, but I should have just left it 2 like that, not 4. You are going to understand what I'm trying to say as you keep on watching. So this is the final look. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. As in, I love the final look of this hair. The length is a vibe, everything. You can actually make it longer than this if you want that, no problem. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your loved one. I really appreciate that. I really appreciate your support and your love. Keep on sharing, keep on liking. Just watch out because I'll be dropping wig tutorial. I know you guys miss my wig tutorial. I'm going to be dropping one so soon, so just watch out for that. Can you see this came out so beautiful? You can see me vibing on myself, giving you guys different kind of angles. Can you see? Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your loved one. As I said, see you in my next video. As I do say, stay blessed always. Bye.